Hi everyone! Are you ready to fall in love with fruity skincare fun? Today we're going to dive into one of the stars of the Frutería line, Very Verde. And just like its name, this product is fresh, juicy, and oh so nourishing. So let's talk about what makes this green jam so special. First off, this product is not just made. It's made with love, and even better, it's made with superfoods. That means it's packed with ingredients your skin is craving, antioxidants, fatty acids, and essential nutrients that feed and protect our skin. Let's break it down with some fun fruity facts. Sapote oil. This hidden treasure is like the avocado of skincare. It's rich in fatty acids that deeply nourish and soften the skin. Think of it as your skin's bestie when it comes to hydration and smoothness. Apple and pear. Very Verde has this crisp, fresh scent, so it's perfect for everyday use, especially after a shower or before bed when you just want to feel fresh and pampered. So when you apply Very Verde, you're not just moisturizing, you're giving your skin a fruit-filled spa moment. So let's meet the collection. First, we have our refreshing fruit-inspired cleanser. It works as both a body wash and a foam bath. It gently cleanses the skin while delivering lightweight hydration thanks to a blend of nourishing sapote oil and soothing aloe vera. It's going to target dryness, dullness, and impurities. Next, we have our body lotion. It leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, hydrated, and light-scented with hints of apples and pears. The key ingredient is oatmeal, which is loaded with antioxidants plus nourishing and moisturizing fatty acids. And it targets dryness and dullness. And how are you going to use it? You're just going to apply it, as much as you want, and then just rub it into your skin as often as needed. So you might be thinking, if we have a body lotion, why do we need a hand cream? Because frequent washing and exposure to the environment can strip the skin in our hands, making it dry, rough, and sometimes it feels irritated. So a hand cream is going to help restore moisture, protect the skin barrier, and keep your hands looking and feeling soft. So this hand cream is lightweight, very deeply hydrating. It's going to absorb quickly. It's not going to leave you that greasy or sticky feel. So that means that you can use it throughout the day, after washing your hands, before you go to bed, and even have one right at your desk. What I like about this hand cream is the key ingredient, which is the mango butter, that is going to provide your skin with a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. And it also targets dryness and dullness. And let me ask you something. Are you ready for having soft, beautiful lips? So with Very Verde Lip Balm, we got you covered. This nourishing balm softens and pampers to give your lips the care they deserve. It's formulated with dimethicone that helps prevent and relieves chapped or cracked lips. You can apply it throughout the day, or you can wear it alone or as a primer under your favorite lipstick. But remember, when your skin is craving nourishment and your sense wants that juicy refresh, reach for Very Verde. It's green, it's clean, it's fruity power hydration like no other.